Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can make Microsoft Teams files always open in the desktop app. So the first thing that you will have to do is open your Teams, and once you're here, you will click your profile icon and then you will click settings, which is right here. And now that you're here, you will just have to go to the file section. And by the way, you have to make sure that you are using the app one so that you will be able to actually see the file option. And what you will have to do is click file, and under that you will just have to see you will see file open preference, and then you will select desktop app. Then you will click save if needed. And now when you open your Word, your Excel, or PowerPoint files from Teams, they will open in their desktop applications by default. And that's it. All team files will now open in the desktop app automatically. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.